Fuel prices keep climbing, and almost every driver is searching for ways to save money at the pump. But here's the truth: not everything you hear about saving fuel is real. In fact, a shocking number of so-called fuel-saving hacks are nothing but scams. Clever tricks designed to grab your attention, waste your money, and sometimes even damage your car. Today, we're exposing 15 fuel-saving hacks that don't work. And trust me, some of these will surprise you. By the end, you'll not only know which myths to ignore, but also what actually works when it comes to saving fuel. But before we dive in, let me ask you this: how much do you spend on fuel every week? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see how prices are hitting drivers across the world. And if you want to save real money while avoiding scams, make sure you watch this video until the very end. Number 1. Magnets on your fuel line. You've probably seen ads claiming that attaching magnets to your fuel line rearranges fuel molecules, making combustion more efficient. Sounds futuristic, right? Unfortunately, it's pure nonsense. Fuel doesn't respond to magnets, and multiple studies by the EPA have proven these gadgets do nothing. Number 2. Homemade fuel additives. Some life hack channels suggest pouring household chemicals like acetone, bleach, or even paint thinner into your gas tank to improve mileage. Not only does this not work, it can seriously damage your engine and fuel system, costing you far more than you'd ever save. Number 3. Overinflating tires for better mileage. Properly inflated tires indeed improve fuel economy, but overinflating them to reduce rolling resistance is dangerous. Your car handles poorly, braking distance increases, and tire wear becomes uneven. You might save a drop of fuel, but risk your safety. Number 4. Premium fuel for regular cars. Unless your car's manual specifically requires premium fuel, filling up with it is just wasting money. Premium gas doesn't magically boost mileage in cars designed for regular fuel. All you're doing is paying extra for no real benefit. Number 5. Engine warm-up idling. Some people believe warming up your car for 10 minutes saves fuel. In reality, it does the opposite. Modern engines are designed to drive almost immediately. Long idling just burns fuel unnecessarily. Number 6. Rolling down windows instead of using AC. Yes, AC consumes extra fuel, but driving with windows down creates aerodynamic drag, which also wastes fuel. On highways, the drag is often worse than using AC. The hack of always rolling down windows isn't a solution. It depends on your driving conditions. Number 7. Shifting into neutral while driving. There's a dangerous myth that coasting in neutral saves gas. In reality, most modern cars already cut fuel supply when you coast in gear. Driving in neutral reduces control and safety while offering little to no savings. Number 8. Miracle air filters. You've probably seen ads for high-performance air filters that claim to boost horsepower and fuel economy by 20 to 30%. While a clean filter is important, replacing it with a miracle one rarely makes a measurable difference in fuel efficiency. Number 9. Fuel pills or tablets. This one has been around for decades. Mysterious tablets you drop into your tank, promising to clean your engine and improve mileage. Independent testing shows no credible results. Most of the time, these pills dissolve into nothing or leave harmful residue. Number 10. Drafting behind trucks. Some drivers think tailgating large trucks reduces drag and improves fuel economy. Technically, it can, but it's extremely unsafe. One wrong move, and you're in a deadly accident. Saving a few cents on fuel isn't worth risking your life. Number 11. Small spoilers for aerodynamics. Cheap stick-on spoilers are marketed as aerodynamic boosters that reduce drag and save fuel. The truth? Unless you're in a wind tunnel with a professionally engineered design, they're cosmetic only. They don't make your car more fuel efficient. Number 12. Filling up only in the morning. You may have heard that buying fuel early in the morning saves money because gasoline is denser when cold. In theory, this is true, but in reality, fuel is stored underground at stable temperatures, Whether you fill up at 6 a.m. or 6 p.m., the density barely changes. Number 13. Turning off AC every few minutes. Some drivers constantly switch their AC on and off, thinking they're saving fuel. In practice, this forces the system to work harder when restarted. A steady, moderate setting is far more efficient than constantly cycling. Number 14. Overusing cruise control. Cruise control is great for steady highways, but some claim it always saves fuel everywhere. That's not true. On hilly roads, cruise control often revs higher to maintain speed, burning more fuel than a careful human driver. Number 15. Topping off the tank. Many people top off after the fuel nozzle clicks, thinking they're getting extra value. In reality, you're risking overflow, evaporation, and damage to your car's vapor recovery system. That extra squeeze doesn't save money, it wastes it. So what actually works? Now that we've exposed the scams, let's quickly highlight what really works if you want to save fuel. Keep your tires properly inflated, not under, not over. Get regular oil changes with the right grade oil. Remove excess weight from your car. Drive smoothly, avoid aggressive acceleration and braking. Stick to your maintenance schedule to keep your engine efficient. Simple, proven habits like these are far more effective than chasing so-called hacks that promise miracles but deliver disappointment. The truth is simple. If a fuel-saving hack sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Magnets, miracle pills, and gimmicky gadgets might catch your eye, but they won't keep cash in your wallet. Real fuel savings come from smart driving, good maintenance, and avoiding scams. So here's my question for you. Which of these fake hacks have you fallen for or seen others believe in? Share your story in the comments, because I know we've all come across at least one of these. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss more myth-busting tips that protect your money, your car, and your safety. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.